Hey everybody, today we're going to try Hostess Cotton Candy Twinkies. That's right, they made one for spring, summer, what have you. I believe I'm kind of getting mixed signals. I believe they introduced it last year, or perhaps even the year before. I don't know the details, but this is a limited edition version. And obviously here's 10 individually wrapped cakes. Golden sponge cake with cotton candy creamy filling. And then there's the Twinkie cowboy guy, or Twinkie the kid, and a stick of cotton candy. Then there's the top. There's the side. Here's the other side. And then there's the bottom. Then on the back they have the usual advertisement for, in this particular case, they have 3 other versions: regular, chocolate cake, and then the fudge-covered Twinkie. Then here's a list of the ingredients, and on here's the nutrition facts, and we'll go with those. It says, nutrition facts, serving size 2 cakes, even though they're individually wrapped, unlike they used to be twin-packed. Let's see, servings per container 5. Calories 260, calories from fat 70, total fat 8 grams, saturated fat 4 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 35 milligrams, sodium 340 milligrams, total carbohydrates 44 grams, dietary fiber 0 grams, sugars 31 grams, protein 2 grams, and then the traditional 4 vitamins and minerals: vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Once again, Hostess Cotton Candy Twinkies. And let's open this up as soon as we find the little location here. Okay. Okay, let's grab one real quick. Aha! There is the cake. Here's the printing on it, the Hostess symbol. And that's what it looks like. You can tell through the transparent plastic that it is a pink filling. Sides, top, bottom. Let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, we'll set that down. Now that's what it looks like. There's the side, there's the top, there's the other side, and then there's the bottom with the injection points for the cream filling. Typical of a Twinkie. Similar Twinkie smell, if you will, or scent. We just haven't gotten to the cotton candy filling, so let's prepare for it. Yum, yum, yum. And here we go. Let's find out what it tastes like. Wow. That's an incredible blend. It really is. It's it's classic Twinkie taste with that infusion of strawberry cotton candy flavor. That is incredible. It really is. Wow. This is one of those things that are foods that if you didn't really have discipline, you'd probably go through the whole box. That is incredible. And yeah, I'm going to eat the whole thing right here. That has amazing flavors. That is something, wow, that is incredible. It really is. And it looks like there's some type of thing on the interior. Oh. It looks like, if you can see, I think they've added a coupon on the interior, so you better watch out for that. Take a look real quick. It's some type of coupon. Okay. So if you're into coupons, there you go. And with that, we're going to shut her down. Hostess, I'm going to give you a thumbs up on this, just because of the incredible combination of flavors of just regular Twinkie sponge cake, and then that major, I'm going to say it's an explosion of cotton candy flavor mixed in through the cream. Hostess cotton candy Twinkies, that's an amazing flavor. It really is. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Take care.